Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Frank. And if you like the videos that I put out on Fridays, go to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe and get these all the time. I've got my good friend Matt Crandell here from Element Mortgage right here in Roseville. And he's been talking about some things. I said, we need to get this on video because these people need this information. So Matt, take it away.
Thank you, Frank. So we've been talking a lot about affordability lately. Interest rates being so high this last year, we're always working with different ways to get affordability down and help buyers get into properties. So we have a few things we wanted to highlight. First being, as you've heard, rates are on the mend.
They're going in the right direction.
Going in the right direction as of now. We don't know the future, what's going to happen, no crystal ball, but from everything that we can see, we think 2024, 2025 is going to be a good year in regards to interest rates. We hope. Okay, so just in the last couple of weeks, they have gone down, as you've heard. The national average interest rate a few weeks ago was 8%. Today it's 7.5%. So 0.5%. What does that mean in dollars? That's what most people ask, is how does that affect me? So
you got a scenario?
I do, yeah. So at a $500,000 purchase price with 5% down, a few weeks ago, if you locked your rate in at that 8%, compared to today at the 7.5% national average, obviously some being lower, some being higher, depending on program, credit, all of that. But national average, you are saving $164 as of today. So if you were to lock it in a few weeks ago, you would be paying $164 more than you will be today, which helps, right? That's utility bills, different things like that. That's what takes people. The difference between finding a home and not finding a home sometimes is that difference, and hopefully that will continue to go down.
Okay, what's next?
Another item is 83 Saginaw Circle in Sacramento.
Ooh.
Okay, we have it as a listing, and there are many listings in that area, but we have a special affordable lending program that is specific to that property. There is an eligibility map on there. Other properties may come up and fall off, but as of right now, 83 Saginaw Circle is the only one in Sacramento on that map. And it qualifies for this affordable lending product where your interest rate will be about a full % lower than current market. So we pulled pricing right before this, and you were in the low 6s.
Wow.
So massive benefit if you are shopping in the Sacramento area in that $500,000 price point range. We do have a product for that specific house.
That's in Natomas, right?
That is in Natomas, yep. So definitely get with Frank, go check that property out. He can connect with the listing agent and see if it's the right house for you. It's been fully renovated, beautiful home, and it does qualify for that affordable lending product. So it's a great solution out there for somebody looking in that price range.
Yes, sir.
Lastly, we want to leave it with Cal HFA, Cal HAFA Dream for All program. That is the big program that came out last year, lasted 12 days, calendar days, and they ran out of money. Including weekends, yeah. So there weren't many days where you can lock that product in, whereas now they have secured more funds for that product. There are going to be some changes in regards to guidelines, how to apply for stuff like that. We'll follow up in further videos earlier in the year, next year, but it is coming back. So expect that Q1, Q2 of next year. There will be that Dream for All program, which is an awesome product for people trying to get in with no funds.
Matt, tell them your phone number.
916-390-4020. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or text me.
That's Matt Crandell, spelled differently than mine.
ELL.
ELL, yeah. Anyway, everybody, thank you for joining in on Fridays with Frank. That the videos that we do hopefully will help you motivate, educate, and you guys all have a great, happy holiday, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you're celebrating, make it a good one. Happy New Year, and we'll see you here next Friday on Friday with Frank.
Happy holidays.